All right, so this is the TVDUGIM. Dugim? I don't know. That's the name of it right there. And there she goes. She's pedaling. We haven't plugged it in though. We gotta plug it in. What are you doing? Nice feet.
Your mother wouldn't have hers.
Oh, there we go. Richard figured it out.
Oh,
It was
didn't know what you were doing.
no, it was this. It wasn't plugged in down here. Got to make sure it's plugged in there.
Oh,
All right, so you got a function, you got a direction, you got a speed, you got a mode. Let's see what kind of mode they got. Let's see the speed. Let's do the start.
maybe you should read the directions
No.
before you push a bunch of buttons.
Well, maybe it didn't fit under the desk, because it wouldn't.
Okay, let's try it. Here I go. I'm jamming now.
This is electric.
So does it automatically?
No, I'm pushing on
You're
it.
pushing it.
Now I'm going to slow down.
So
Let's
what does
see.
it do plugged in?
I'm going to do the speed. Oh, look, now I'm not pushing at all.
And is it doing it?
Yeah, it's just doing it itself.
You're not supposed to push it.
Oh, you're not?
No.
I thought, okay, let's see the speed.
It's got 5 speeds, I think.
There's 3. There's 4. Now it's really moving. There's 5. Woo! Now I'm
It's
cooking with
turning
grease.
itself?
Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I just got my feet sitting on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you feel what working? Is it just the quads?
I don't know. It's just moving my feet.
Right. So isn't
I don't feel anything.
Isn't it just your quads that are working?
No, nothing's working. I'm not pushing. I'm not doing anything.
But you're kind of holding your leg. So
I just
felt-
keep my feet on there. That's all. All right, let's
actually
see.
Your calf is working.
Oh, there's 4. There's 3. It's also rotating my ankle. You see that?
I know.
Which is probably good. I think this is more like physical therapy than exercise.
It's for movement, I think. Just
Oh,
for,
yeah.
Does it go backwards too?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's stop it for a second. Let's look at the modes. Got P2. Let's try that.
That's supposed to do it.
Here we go. Yep, it's going backwards.
It is?
Yeah. So it's got a mode. It's got a backwards mode. Let's go faster in this mode.
Wait.
Apparently, it doesn't let me do that. It doesn't go back. It doesn't go any faster in the backwards mode.
Well, it
You're
doesn't
not
want you to
supposed to be
trip and fall
pedaling.
down.
What?
You're not pedaling, right?
No,
I don't know.
no. I just have my feet on there.
Itself.
I know this is P3. Let's see what this is.
Pushes you.
Yes, I noticed that.
Here goes P3. I just leave my feet on there.
They're going to use almost a white.
All right, to stop it, I hit that.
Purple.
All right, so
For the
now direction. Let's see what that does.
No, they're going to use a
too
white,
much?
but they're going to
P3.
Over the wall.
gloss.
Let's see what that does.
Oh,
They
that
wanted
way.
it more subtle.
Yeah. But that's a lot going on, right?
Well, they're very big.
So yeah.
Yeah.
The head's like 17.
All right. So that's it. I guess that's how it works.
Big.
This does come with a remote too. So check it out. I just put my feet on here like that, and then I can do the power, and then I can do the start, and it's going to go to the first one, and then I can do speed, and then I can hit start, and it should start. There we go. Now I can change the direction here too, if I want. Watch this. Now it'll go backwards. So you can use the remote, and the remote's actually easier to use than the
Tell you about Ellen's
panel.
nephew.
Let's try these.
Lynette,
What?
did Christine tell you about Ellen's nephew?
Yes. You got it, right? He was found, what was it? An attic?
Let's go faster.
Well, but he was doing well. And he
I
had
can't
3
remember.
children.
This was a couple weeks ago or something?
No, just
a week ago.
Last night or
Huh.
soon?
Oh wait,
Well, anyway,
Because the
it does have a
daughter
remote.
was- the sister's
You're gonna have to figure out how to
married.
use it. Yeah. All right, let's go up and watch it, how there's different speeds. This is 2, that was 1. Not too bad, not too radical. There's 3, starting to move. There's 4, now it's cranking. And remember, I'm not moving this is the machine doing it, not me. Now watch this. Oh my God. It's really moving.
are your legs tiring at all?
No, but it's weird. It's just a weird, like, kind of sensation. I don't know if my feet are doing it. I don't know what's going on. It's just going fast. Let me go back slower. There's 4. There's 3, 2, and the last one is 1. And look how slow 1 is.
Have you used the
Let's try another mode.
one thing that you got?
P1.
Cramps?
I did a couple times. It didn't see
Didn't do
anything.
anything?
But,
So these different modes, it changes.
and it's been in the other room.
All right, so these are the dashboard controls. You got a function, you got a direction. All right, you've got speed. You can change the speed. You've got a mode, which I couldn't tell the difference between things. That's the on and off, and that's the reverse. Now watch, it goes backwards. You see? So you just press that, and it goes backwards. Press it again, it goes forward. Makes a kind of a long pause in between. And then the speed, you just hit that. You can see it says 2, 3, and 4, and 5 is really going. When you go backwards, it just goes back down to 1. Just like that. And if you press that, it does a different mode, but it's kind of weird because all the modes feel the exact same to me. I couldn't really tell the difference on them. I mean, tell you the truth. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I put my feet on things that go circular. Peace out.